Single track operations is in effect all weekend on Orange and Blue Line trains. Single track operations, Orange and Blue Line trains will single track off the cemetery to Foggy Bottom. Orange Line trains will single track from Clarendon and Foggy Bottom. You are traveling in the direction of Willie Rosslyn by way of Tyson Corner on the Silver Line trains will board at Boston. You will catch an Orange Line train to Vienna Fairfax exit at Boston and you'll pick up Silver Line service. Trains will share the same track at Rosslyn. Transfer point at Rosslyn. So if you are traveling in the direction of Vienna or Willie Rosslyn, once you arrive at Rosslyn, you will board the Orange Line train in the direction of Vienna Fairfax on the same platform. Again, track 1 is out of service due to scheduled track maintenance this weekend. Trains are running every 24 minutes.
This is Arlington Cemetery. Doors opening on the right. Doors open. This is a Blue Line train to Largo Town Center. When boarding, move to the center of the car. The next stop is Rosslyn. Step back. Doors closing. This is Rosslyn. Transfer is available to the orange and silver lines. Your attention please. There is a train in the station ahead. Please hold on. We will move shortly. Doors opening on the right.